Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the active hours for Windows Update. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Start menu and select Settings. You want to select the Windows Update option on the left side, and on the right side you want to select Advanced Options. Go down and select Active Hours. We won't restart your device during these hours. Go ahead and click inside the drop down, and you can set the active hours to be automatic or manual. So if you choose manual, you can go ahead and adjust the start and end time that your computer will not restart during those hours in order to install updates. However, you can only do a maximum of 18 hours. So you can't do a 24-hour active hours. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.